Hi coders, it's Doc Apple here, and today I'm going to show you the very basics of coding in Python. First, open up any web browser. We're going to type in python.org/downloads. Should take you to a page something similar to this, or exactly the same. I downloaded Python 2.7.1 since my computer is fairly old. It's like on the keyboard here it says it's 2005 Dell Inspiron. But anyway, for any computers as old as mine, you might want to download something like this. If your computer is like 2010, 2011, or older, you might want to get Python 3.5. And if you don't trust me, which I can understand, no, never mind. But anyway, if you want a specific release, you can go down here and get a specific release. So once you download it, go back to your desktop, and there should be two different programs that look like this: idle Python GUI and Python command line. And today we are going to be coding in idle and transferring our code and running it in command line, Notepad, and Notepad++. So we're going to make a new text document. We're going to name it, you can do whatever you want, but I'm going to call mine .coppel.py since I already have a hello world.py. All Python extensions and scripts, which is a script is a piece of code that you're coding, has to be labeled py if you're coding in Python. Click enter. It'll say if you change a file extension, the file may become unusable. Are you sure you want to change it? Click yes, and it'll turn into this. We are going to right click, click on edit with idle. So we're going to code our .coppel.py in idle, and we're just gonna type something. We're just gonna have the computer. We're gonna tell the computer to type something out. So let's do. This is to type something out. All words that are being typed have to be within a parenthesis and a either single or double quotation mark. So let's do hello. My name is Python. Again, you could always do double quotations. I prefer to do one since you don't have to press on the shift bar and that wastes a time. I know it's not a big deal, but for me it is for some reason. But anyway, now we are going to save it. Do Control S for save, or you could go up to File and click Save. And now we are going to run the program that we just made. You can either go up here and click on Run Module, or you can just simply click F5. As you can see here, it did print out, the computer did print out, hello, my name is Python, like we told it to right up here. So your first Python program has been created. This is like the most simplest thing ever to code in Python, but at least gets you the basics. So we're gonna, I think we already saved that, so we're gonna open up Python command line. You could open it there, or you could go to here. It'll say CMD automatically. Click on that. Command line. Actually, you should probably just open command line. It's faster too. So, actually, yeah, you should. I'm sorry. You should open CMD. And here it shows this, just a bunch of code that you don't need to worry about. It's just telling you about the version of your computer. Apparently it's a Windows XP. I couldn't tell you that before because I didn't know what it was. But anyway, we need to type in change directory desktop. we're gonna transfer the code that we made in idle onto here. We're going to print the program that we just made. That's .copl.py. Click on enter, and it will print out, as you can see right here, the program that we just made. This is pretty much the same as a Python shell, but it is in command line. Let's do it in Notepad++ now. So we're going to open Notepad++. Gonna save. Actually, sorry. We're gonna open .copl.py as edit with Notepad++. It'll pull up the code we typed in idle automatically, and here you go. This is coding in Python, the very, very basics. So I hope you enjoyed this beginning tutorial. Sorry, I got a bunch of tongue-tied. I just learned about this a few days ago. So I hope you enjoyed it, and be looking forward to another tutorial on Python.